Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be giving you my 1 month update for my starter locks. So let's get started. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. It's kind of frizzy. I interlocked about one week ago. So I interlocked about a week ago, the whole entire head. So the front is still very fresh, but this like back row back here, let's see, it's 2 rows. This is the last row. All that. Oh, it's already like, I don't know, loose or slipped. I have no clue what to call that, but I'm pretty sure my hair doesn't grow that fast. But and then this little guy here, I think it's locking because it's shorter than everything else. And then you can see like, I don't know if this budding or not. It's like compacting together. It doesn't feel like a twist either. And this one, at the end, I think it's budding. It's like knotted right here. And this one is like thick right here. So yeah, haven't been doing anything different really, except for I added a oil. I added that in my 3-week update, so literally nothing has changed except for me interlocking in between that last update and this one. But yeah, so that's all I have to say about my locks. And I hope you guys follow me on the rest of this journey. Bye.